Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the euro versus the dollar, and as you can see we have a reversal in here, and of course the price retrace a bit, but we still see a bearish trend wherein, as you can see, the RSI is on the overbought level. It retraced a little here. So from the highest, let me put the line. Uh, I cannot put the line here. Insert object, vertical line. Okay, so from here, as you can see, it is too high here at 84.73, and then it retraces a bit. But again, we are still looking at a bearish sentiment. So if we look at the 5-minute time frame, you can see that the price is within the Kumo that acts as the resistance. Okay, so if it helps, you can also put a retracement level from here up to this low, and as you can see, this 61.8 plays as a resistance and support, depends on where the current price is. Okay, but again, there's the Como that acts as the resistance. So this party here is on a biased to resistance. Okay, now if the resistance will hold, then take that off, then it means that the new support, let's take a look at okay, there. So 23.6, that is the immediate support, and then another support is 38.2. Okay, so those will be your support levels. But again, we are looking at bearish sentiment, meaning because of the RSI is still quite high. So bearish sentiment meaning the price will continue to move down. Of course, there will be some spikes every now and then, but the overall sentiment on this time frame is bearish. Now let's look at the longer, let's say 15. So in a 15-minute, let's take this out first. Okay, so as you can see in the 15-minute time frame, we are currently still doing the current candlestick. In about a minute, uh, it will show the final sentiment on this current price movement. But if you notice, like now, it is a bearish candlestick. So let's try to see if this will be confirmed. But on its 15-minute time frame, the overall sentiment is still bullish, but with a downward trend. Okay. You can also anticipate a channel, could be. Let's try to put some channels. Okay. Sorry. like that there. Okay, that could be a channel that this price movement may move. Okay, as you can see, it is going down. Now let's look at the longer time frame. Let's say 30 minutes. On a 30-minute is just the same as the 15-minute. Okay. RSI is still high. Let's try the 1 hour. Okay, so the same with the 1 hour. So that is what we are looking at here. And I think that's it for today. I hope you learned something and see you on my next video. If you have any question, you may post that in the comment section of this video so I can answer it. Thank you and have a good day.